If you're using a driving recorder or dashcam, you may notice that some devices require the storage to be formatted in Ext4 instead of FAT32 or NTFS. Ext4 is a Linux-based file system that's more stable for continuous recording, reduces file corruption, and is widely used in dashcams. In this video, I'll show you how to format your SD card or USB drive to Ext4 safely for your driving recorder, step by step, on Windows and Linux. Unfortunately, Windows' built-in formatting tool can't format to Ext4. In disk management, you won't find any Ext4/3/2 file system options. In Windows Explorer, right-click the target drive and select Format, and you'll find no Ext4/Ext3/Ext2 options under the File System menu. In the diskpart command prompt, typing Format fs equals Ext4 will result in an error message. Virtual Disk Service error. The file system is incompatible. Fortunately, you can use AOMEI Partition Assistant, a third-party Ext4 formatting tool designed for Windows 7/8/10/11. It supports nearly all file systems, including Ext2 and NTFS. Step 1. Run AOMEI Partition Assistant. Right-click the partition you want to format and click Format Partition. Step 2. Select Ext4 in the file system list and click OK. Step 3. Click Apply to begin the formatting process. In just 3 simple steps, you can format an SD card, USB drive or hard drive as Ext4 in Windows. And that's how you can format your SD card or USB drive to Ext4 for your driving recorder. Using Ext4 ensures stable recording and reduces the chance of corrupted files. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.